Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. Keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, time's forever frozen.
Hello, my dear students. I hope you all are doing fine in your life now, and the time has come to say good luck and farewell to you all from this esteemed institution where you were all cared for, supported, guided, and got so many things all these years from your teachers and all the other surroundings which you got in the school. And now you all may be planning for your future career and be ready to face the real challenges of the real world. I hope you all have planned and made up your mind what you are going to do in your future after the school life. Losing last year to the virus was not what we had planned, but it's definitely an experience that will affect our lives forever and a memory we will never ever forget. The best part is you are not yet done. You are young and you will continue to experience things and make memories every day that mold you here and there, and who you truly are and who you meant to become. The only certainty we have is that time goes on. Time never stops for anyone, and future always arrives. So wherever life plants you, I hope that you all bloom with grace. Now it's time to spread your wings and soar to greater heights. And greater heights, I mean that you have to fulfill all the dreams of yours and your parents and everyone. I would like to thank you all for your support and respect you gave me. At the same time, I would like you all to leave all the negative thoughts, feelings, experiences which you had in the school here itself and carry only pleasant memories with you. I wish your dreams come true. May God shower His blessings on you abundantly. Wish you all a very successful life, and the best thing, always stay connected. We are always for you. Still, school is always here present for you. If you have need of any guidance from anyone, from the principal, teachers, anyone, they are always available for you. So again, all the best for your life.
Good morning, students. I hope you are fit and fine with your family, and your family members are also well. In the present situation, we can't arrange farewell party. That's why we are sending message to you. In this situation, students and other people also suffered a lot, but especially students have lost the opportunity to express their knowledge, their talent in the exam. So don't worry, you can face any challenge if you have caliber. In the future, you can show your talent and you can get success. So I wish you bright, successful and healthy, wealthy future. Thank you.
Good morning, dear student. I hope you are very well at your home. For your graduation ceremony, I would like to say something new. Please be kind and good to people you meet. I wish you all a very bright future ahead. You may achieve your goals. God bless you and thank you. Bye, students.
Hello my dear students, good morning all of you. How are you all? I hope you all are doing great. Firstly, I have two lines. सपने और लक्ष्य में एक ही अंतर है. सपनों और लक्ष्य में एक ही अंतर है. सपनों के लिए बिना मेहनत के नींद चाहिए और लक्ष्य के लिए बिना नींद के मेहनत चाहिए. I hope you all understand this students. As you know, your school journey is over and you all are started a new journey of your life. This life is very different and precious for all of you. And I wish you a very good luck to all of you for your bright future and to make feel proud to your parents and teachers. At last, always understand one thing. जो मंजिल को पाने की चाह रखते हैं वो समुद्र पर भी पुल बना देते हैं. इसका मीनिंग ये होगा कि अगर आप अपने मन से चाहते हो कि हमें ये चीज करना है तो in any how condition you achieve your target. And thank you
Dear
so much.
student, I hope you may live always healthy and safe. You will have a bright future. You will illuminate your parents' name, school name, even your country's name by your excellent performance. We all hope for your bright futures and God bless you all my dear students.
प्यारे बच्चों, उम्मीद करती हूँ आप सब लोग अच्छे होंगे, स्वस्थ होंगे. आपका स्कूल एजुकेशन अभी पूरा हो चुका है और अब आप अपनी जो है ग्रेजुएशन की तरफ आगे बढ़ रहे हैं. बहुत समय से हम साथ रहे हैं, एक छत के नीचे हमने साथ क्लासें ली, बहुत कुछ सीखा, बहुत कुछ समझा. पर ये समय जो है अब छूट रहा है, हमारा साथ अब छूट रहा है. पर ये साथ दुख इस बात का है कि अब हम साथ नहीं रहेंगे, लेकिन फिर भी कहीं ना कहीं कुछ हिस्से में हम याद आते रहेंगे, क्योंकि साथ बिताया गया वक्त इतनी आसानी से नहीं भूला जा सकता. आप जीवन में ऐसे ही आगे बढ़ते रहें, तरक्की करते रहें, स्वस्थ रहें, मस्त रहें. आपका जो ग्रेजुएशन सेरेमनी है वो आप अच्छे से कंप्लीट करें. इन्हीं शुभकामनाओं के साथ आप सभी को आगामी दिन बधाई.
Good morning, dear students. In the last year's session, we have worked hard to achieve success. The last year's session was full of pandemic hurdles, but still we worked hard to achieve success. The life never stops by these hurdles. There is continuous process, and I also try my best to give you my best. I know that it wasn't always easy or smooth, so I would like to apologize to anyone whom I may have offended or hurt. So, goodbye to all of you, and I pray that you all have a great future going forward.
Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine at your home. Today as we bid you goodbye, so I would like to share few words for you. I never thought this day would knock on our door soon. I never had the time to pause and reflect on how much I miss this moment. I spent with this batch, but here we are. So, as we grow comfortable with our present surrounding, life demand change, and we must unwillingly and willingly complete. So, in the last, I want to say, if you want to reach heights and soar high, you need to have the courage and willpower to leave the ground below. यदि आप ऊंचाइयों तक पहुंचना चाहते हैं और ऊंची उड़ान भरना चाहते हैं, तो आपको जमीन छोड़ने के लिए साहस और इच्छा शक्ति की आवश्यकता है. तो स्टूडेंट, इन्हीं शब्दों के साथ में विश यू ऑल द बेस्ट फॉर योर ब्राइट फ्यूचर.